This truck is such a dirty queen, I swear. Jeez. Can't keep the dirt off of it. You know, I'm an old man. Oop. I don't like washing it all the time. The inside's nice though. Time to start it up. Haven't started it in a while. It's probably not a good idea, but I've been taking care of family, if you know what I mean. Let's just give it a little, let's open the hood. Because I believe I got something in the way. Oh yeah. Dust protection. Uh-huh. All right, I'm gonna throw that to the side. Hopefully it starts. We'll see. I'm gonna take this deal off real quick. Oh gosh. Oh, come on, you. I can't even see you. Let's do this. Now I can see a little bit. This part goes in like that. This goes like this. Oh, this comes out like that. This comes down like this. Then I should be able to pull the key out. Okay, move the seat back so I can get my legs in there. Kind of tall. Not the tallest dude, but I'm kind of tall. All right, come on. You're gonna come out. We're gonna try to start you up. There you go. You're going over there. Okay. Start her up. Try to. All right, I'm gonna prime everything. All right, oil pump primed real quick. Everything primed. Okay, with just the flick of the key over here. Haven't had a lot of time to work on it. You know, I got 2 kids and a lot of deals going on. It is what it is. She's running pretty good. Close this up. Okay. Yeah, everything works. Good deal. Okay, I'm not going to be able to fold this up one-handedly. I'm just going to throw it back here like this. Everything's cool, everything's clean. We're going to roll down some winders here. All right. I'm just going to go drive around the block real quick, and then I'm going to park it. I really need to wash this thing. been so busy, you know. I got a couple vehicles that I'm washing right now, and sometimes I just don't feel like it, you know what I mean? Oh, okay. Yeah, pretty good. Alright, let's just go around the block real quick. No check engine lights, nothing like that, nothing crazy. We're just gonna go for a little ride. Alright, then I'm gonna come back and park it. Alright, because the family wants dinner. They're waiting on me. Okay, seriously. Okay, I got the brake deal on here. I forget that it's not like my 5th gen. My 5th gen automatically releases the brake. My 4th gen does not. Alright, let's do this. Okay. I love this truck. It's great, man. This thing is so smooth, man. Wow. It feels so good. Look at that. Blinker still works. Oh, I love this truck. You hear that? Man, no matter where I drive, you have this turbo whistling noise going on, and it's just so cool. I love it. This is just crazy. Just telling you right now, this is just something I respect. I don't go out and beat it up. No sirree, bub. Started kicking off weird. I just wanted to go. It's insane. This thing just wants to pump, dude. When you got nearly 1,000 horsepower. Let me say that like smoothly. When you got nearly 1,000 horsepower, holy crap, is it? Wow. I love this thing, dude. It just wants to pump. That's just, it's so incredible. I can't explain it. You just have to experience it yourself. Yeah, I'm dang near done right now with this video. Like I said, my family's waiting on the chicken. I love this thing. It's so ridiculous. Just need to start it up, you know, drive it around, get the fluids going and whatnot. It's freaking great. I love it. Alright, so now what I gotta do right now is a little U-turn. Go park this beast back in her spot. Yeah. Okay, so I picked a weird spot to try to U-turn. Alright, we're going back here. This truck is crazy. It's just a crazy truck. I love that sound. It just sounds stupid. It's like unreal. Okay, let's see if I could do this right. I like to park a certain way. There's my other truck right there, one of my other, and then there's my Jeep. Okay, so we're gonna back up. Okay, just right. Yep, just perfectly the way I desire. I love this thing. Oh my gosh, it's stupid. It's just stupid. It's not even normal, it's just stupid. Okay, and in park. ahead and take a look around. My steps deployed. Thank you, steps. Really appreciate the steps. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty good right there. I have to say, it's pretty good. Yeah. Woo! This thing is amazing. Yeah, I love it. All right, that's it for me. So what I usually do is, I should have done this already, I keep forgetting because my other vehicles are automatic with the brake. This one is not. My other vehicles don't have this. All right, I keep forgetting because I drive those so often. So what I do is, when I shut this down, go to shut down like this. I'll hit it one more time. And what that does is evacuate all the oil out of the turbo so you don't have any overfill. I have check valves and whatnot that stop the turbo from being overfilled and leaking on the ground, but I like to put a little extra precaution into it. Oh, I forgot. I gotta roll up all my winders. Okay, there's the back two. Okay. It takes forever on the 4th gen. My 5th gen, man, they roll up like real quick. Okay, all of them are rolled up. You're rolled up, you're rolled up, you're rolled up. Okay, put my little sun visor back in there. All right, one-hander landing everything right now. Okay, there it is. Alrighty, dudes and dudettes, I appreciate each and every one of you. I really do, for watching my crummy videos, you know, and checking out my crummy truck. You know, you guys are awesome. You know, it makes my day. Okay, this thing is, look, we got, that's a one of these got extra lights, right? Rock lights. There's the rock lights going on right there. Okay, and then we got the Hell Ram emblem. Get some. We got the, since we got a turbo, we got the turbo emblem as well in the back. There it is. It looks really good when it's not dirty. Okay, but it is what it is. I ain't tripping, man. I ain't got time to come out here and play detail man every day. When I was younger, I did. I'm not gonna lie. I would come out and wash my truck at 4 o'clock in the morning before I had to be at work at 6 o'clock in the morning. But those days are long gone and over. Hardy dudes and dudettes, I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, until next time, get some.